In your Threads bio, if you want to add your interests, you can do that easily. In this video, we'll explain how to add your favorite topics to your Threads bio. First, open the Threads app. You'll see a profile button here. Click on it. Then, you'll notice the Edit Profile option. Click on it. Once you do, you'll see an Interests option. Tap on that. After that, you'll find an Add Topic option. Click the plus button. When you do, you can search for topics you're interested in. For example, I'm searching for tech. You'll see several options pop up. Next to each topic, you can see recent posts related to it. It's best to choose topics you're passionate about with more recent posts. For example, I'm picking this one. If you want to add more topics, you can do that too. Just click the plus button again. Then, search for any topic you like. For instance, I'm searching for sports. You'll see some options appear. I'm choosing this one, for example. Yes, you can keep adding more topics. Once you're done, click the Done button. That'll save your interests. After that, you'll see a Done button at the top. Click it, and your changes will be saved. That's how you can easily add interests to your Threads bio. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.